Hi everyone, welcome back to English Chat Corner TV. Have you ever been in a store and couldn't find the food you wanted? Yes, I sometimes walk around the store for a long time, and I don't know what to ask. In this video, you'll learn the simple English you need to ask for food items in a store. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps me create more helpful lessons for you.
This store is really big.
Yes, it has many different sections.
I can see vegetables over there.
Right, and the bakery is near the entrance.
I want to buy some bread first.
Good idea.
But I don't know where the bread is.
That's okay. You can ask a store employee.
What should I say?
You can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the bread?"
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
Perfect.
That's easy.
Yes. Where can I find is very useful when you're shopping.
Excuse me,
Yes? How can I help you?
where can I find the bread?
The bread is in the bakery section.
Where is the bakery section?
It's near the front of the store, on the left.
On the left?
Yes, you'll see many kinds of bread there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Great. You understood her.
Yes, but I want to check one thing.
What is it?
How do I ask if they have whole wheat bread?
You can say, "Do you have whole wheat bread?"
Do you have whole wheat bread?
Exactly.
There are so many kinds of bread here.
Yes, white bread, whole wheat bread, sandwich bread, and more.
I want whole wheat bread.
Let's ask the employee.
Excuse me, do you have whole wheat bread?
Yes, we do.
Where can I find it?
It's on the second shelf.
The second shelf?
Yes, right next to the white bread.
Oh, I see it.
Great.
How much is it?
It's $3.50 a loaf.
Okay, I'll take one.
Nice. You asked about the type, location, and price.
Now I need milk.
Do you see the milk?
I see some drinks, but I don't see milk.
Then ask.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
The milk is in the refrigerator section.
Is it far from here?
Not very far. Go straight and turn right.
Go straight and turn right?
That's right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jonah, I'm starting to feel like a real shopper.
You're doing great.
Oh, there are different sizes.
Yes, you can choose a small, medium, or large bottle.
I don't need a large one.
Then get the small one.
How do I ask about the size?
You can ask, "Do you have a smaller bottle?"
Do you have a smaller bottle?
Exactly.
What if I want a bigger one?
You can say, "Do you have a larger bottle?"
Do you have a larger bottle?
Perfect.
English is useful when you know these simple patterns. We also need eggs.
How many eggs do we need?
Maybe 12.
Okay, let's find a carton of 12 eggs.
Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?
The eggs are in the refrigerated section next to the milk.
Oh, next to the milk.
Yes.
Do you have a dozen eggs?
Yes. We have cartons of 12 eggs.
Great, I'll take one.
Good job.
What does a dozen mean?
A dozen means 12.
So a dozen eggs means 12 eggs.
Exactly.
We need rice too.
What kind of rice do you want?
I want brown rice.
Let's look.
I only see white rice.
Ask if they have brown rice.
Excuse me, do you have brown rice?
I'm sorry, we're out of brown rice today.
Oh, really?
Yes, we sold out this morning.
Do you have any other kind of rice?
Yes, we have jasmine rice and white rice.
Okay, I'll take jasmine rice.
That's a very useful question. Do you have any other kind?
I'll remember that. This bag looks good.
Check the price.
I can't see it.
Then ask the employee.
Excuse me, how much is this bag of rice?
It's $8.99.
$8.99?
Yes.
Is there a smaller bag?
Yes, there's a 5-kilogram bag on the lower shelf.
How much is that one?
It's $5.50.
That's better for me.
Good. You compared two prices.
Yes, I want to save some money. Look at all these apples.
They look fresh.
How can I ask if they're fresh?
You can simply ask, "Are these apples fresh?"
Are these apples fresh?
Yes, they arrived this morning.
That's good.
They're very fresh today.
How much are they?
They're $2.50 per kilogram.
Okay, I'd like 1 kilogram, please.
Excellent.
Can I say, give me 1 kilogram?
You can, but I'd like 1 kilogram, please. Sounds more polite.
I'd like 1 kilogram, please. We need vegetables for dinner.
What vegetables do you want?
Carrots, tomatoes, and onions.
Good choices.
Excuse me, where can I find the carrots?
The carrots are right here.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
What about the tomatoes?
They're next to the carrots.
And where are the onions?
They're over there, beside the potatoes.
Great. Everything is close together.
Yes. Sometimes you can ask about several items at once.
I can't find the pasta.
What kind of pasta?
Spaghetti.
Let's ask someone.
Excuse me, I'm looking for spaghetti.
Sure. The spaghetti is in aisle 5.
Aisle 5?
Yes.
Where is aisle 5?
It's at the end of this aisle. Then turn left.
At the end, then turn left.
That's right.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
I'm looking for is another excellent shopping expression.
I'm looking for spaghetti.
Exactly.
There are 3 brands here.
Which one do you want?
I don't know.
You can ask about the difference.
Excuse me, what's the difference between these two?
This one is regular spaghetti, and this one is whole wheat spaghetti.
Which one is cheaper?
The regular spaghetti is cheaper.
Okay, I'll take the regular one.
That's a very useful question. What's the difference between these two?
Yes, I can use that when I don't know which product to choose. I also need canned tomatoes.
Can you find them?
No, I only see canned beans.
Ask the employee.
Excuse me, do you have canned tomatoes?
Yes, we do.
Where can I find them?
They're on aisle 7, next to the canned beans.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think I'm getting better at this.
You definitely are.
These cans are very big.
Do you need a big can?
No, I'm cooking for 2 people.
Then ask for a smaller one.
Excuse me, do you have a smaller can?
Yes, we have a small can here.
How much is it?
It's $1.75.
That's perfect. I'll take one.
Nice.
Small, simple questions are very useful. We need some frozen vegetables.
What kind?
Frozen peas. Excuse me, where can I find the frozen peas?
They're in the frozen food section.
Are they in this aisle?
No, go to the freezer at the back of the store.
At the back?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Notice how you can ask a follow-up question when you don't understand the answer.
Like, are they in this aisle?
Exactly.
I don't see the frozen peas.
Maybe they're sold out.
Let's ask. Excuse me, do you still have frozen peas?
I'm sorry, we're sold out right now.
Oh, okay. When will you have more?
We should have more tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning?
Yes.
Okay, I'll come back tomorrow.
Very good.
What does sold out mean?
It means the store has no more of that item at the moment.
Got it. Look at this snack.
Do you want it?
Maybe, but I want to know what's inside.
You can ask, what ingredients are in this?
Excuse me, what ingredients are in this?
You can check the ingredients on the back of the package.
Oh, I see.
The back of the package usually has important information.
That's useful.
Yes, when you're not sure about a food product, ask or check the label.
Jonah, we still need cheese and yogurt.
They're probably in the refrigerator section.
Excuse me, could you help me find the cheese and yogurt?
Of course.
Where can I find them?
The cheese is on the left side of the refrigerator section, and the yogurt is on the right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That was easy.
Yes. Could you help me? Is a very polite way to ask for help. Let's check our shopping list.
Okay.
Bread,
Got it.
milk,
Got it.
eggs,
Gum.
rice,
Yes.
apples,
Yes.
carrots, tomatoes, onions,
Yes. Yes and yes.
spaghetti,
Got it.
canned tomatoes,
Yes.
cheese and yogurt?
Yes.
Great. Is there anything else?
I think we're done.
Then let's go to the checkout.
Finally.
Hi. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes. Thank you.
That's great.
Actually, I learned a lot today.
That's good to hear.
She learned how to ask for food items in English.
Excellent.
I learned, where can I find?
Good.
Do you have?
Yes,
How much is this?
exactly.
And could you help me find?
Perfect.
Here is your total.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Jonah, I think I can go shopping by myself now.
I think you can.
Even if I can't find something?
Just ask.
Even if I don't know the price?
Just ask.
Even if I don't know which product to choose?
Just ask.
That's the secret.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to speak English.
Listen and repeat practice. Where can I find the milk? Do you have brown rice? How much is this? I'm looking for spaghetti. Do you have a smaller one? What's the difference between these two? Could you help me find the cheese? Excellent! These simple sentences can help you in a real store. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're in a supermarket. You can't find the bread. What would you say? Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Practice these sentences out loud. And don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English conversations. Your support really helps me create more helpful lessons for you.